Last year I genuinely wanted to create truly professional-looking designs that actually impressed people and looked like they came from experienced, real designers with years of training but absolutely couldn't afford expensive software like Adobe Creative Suite, subscriptions that cost hundreds of dollars monthly and completely broke my budget, and had absolutely zero idea which free and affordable design websites actually worked really well for real people like me. I'd constantly see absolutely amazing, beautiful designs from other talented creators and designers all over the internet and social media, but had absolutely zero clue where they actually built them or which specific tools and platforms they used to create those incredible designs. I tried a few random design websites and wasted tons of time on ones that were confusing and difficult to navigate, had severely limited options and features, or didn't produce genuinely professional results at all that looked amateur. Then I discovered the actual best design and creative websites where real people genuinely create professional, quality designs without expensive subscriptions or training. Tested 10 of them rigorously to see which ones actually produced quality work consistently, and I want to show you exactly which websites will help you create professional designs instead of thinking you desperately need expensive Photoshop or Illustrator. Number 1 is the one that completely changed how I approach design thinking and strategy and turned me from deeply frustrated without real design skills into someone actually creating genuinely professional-looking designs that matter and get results. Tool number 10 is using Microsoft Paint or other basic free tools without actually learning real design principles and theory. You create something but it absolutely looks amateurish and completely unprofessional because you're missing actual real design knowledge and proper tools that professionals use. 5 out of 10. Tool number 9 is paying for expensive Adobe subscriptions. When you're just starting out your design journey and learning, you get incredibly powerful tools but end up spending hundreds of dollars monthly before you're even genuinely good at design yet and waste money. 5.5 out of 10. Tool number 8 is using overly complex design software that takes months and months to genuinely learn and master. You technically have all the features available but waste tons of time learning instead of actually creating and completing real projects that matter. 6 out of 10. Tool number 7 is using free design websites with absolutely terrible generic templates and severely limited customization options available. You're heavily restricted by bad templates and can't make anything unique or genuinely professional looking at all, no matter how hard you try. 6.5 out of 10. Tool number 6 is using only stock photos without actually designing or creating anything original and unique. You just put images together, but there's absolutely no real design thinking or genuine creativity behind it whatsoever, and people can tell. 7 out of 10. Now, let's do a thorough quick recap. Since we're halfway through this comprehensive list and you've very clearly seen what absolutely doesn't actually help you create genuinely good and impressive designs at all, no matter how hard you try. So far, most of these strategies either completely lack proper advanced tools and features. You need to do real work, cost far too much money upfront before you're even good enough to justify the expense, produce genuinely unprofessional and disappointing results that actually embarrassed you or heavily restricted your creativity and options. The next 4 tools are where things genuinely started to shift dramatically and meaningfully and actually matter toward creating professional quality designs without needing expensive software, subscriptions, or expensive training courses that cost thousands of dollars. Tool number 5 is using Figma for professional UI and product design and prototyping work. You get genuinely professional design tools that professionals actually use, can collaborate with other designers easily, work from any device seamlessly, and it's mostly completely free for beginners and people learning design. 7.5 out of 10. Tool number 4 is using Affinity Designer as a much cheaper and actually better alternative to expensive Photoshop. You get incredibly powerful professional tools in one single affordable payment instead of expensive monthly subscriptions forever and ever. 8 out of 10. Tool number 3 is using Procreate specifically. If you have an iPad for digital art and illustration creation work, the tools are absolutely incredibly powerful and genuinely affordable for the quality. And it's genuinely perfect for creating original quality artwork that impresses. 8.5 out of 10. Tool number 2 is combining multiple design platforms strategically and intelligently together for different purposes. You use Canva for quick, fast designs, Figma for detailed professional work, Procreate or Affinity for illustration, and quality stock sites for professional images. 9 out of 10. Tool number 1 is the complete integrated system. You need to become genuinely good at design. Genuinely learn actual real design principles and theory from scratch. Master one or two design tools deeply until you know them perfectly. Strategically use stock resources for foundations. Combine tools intelligently and practice constantly relentlessly until you're genuinely skilled at design. This exact complete approach took me from deeply frustrated without real design skills to creating professional quality designs that impress people, because I focused relentlessly on principles and practice instead of just buying expensive software. 10 out of 10. So here's the final ranking, broken down by exactly what you actually need in your specific design journey right now at this moment. If you want genuinely affordable, powerful design tools that actually work professionally without breaking the bank, use Affinity Designer for number 4 choice. If you want to create high-quality, beautiful digital art and illustration work that stands out, use Procreate for number 3 choice. If you want the complete integrated system that actually makes you a genuinely good designer over time with real skills, then learn real design principles. Master tools deeply until you know them perfectly. Combine resources strategically and practice relentlessly constantly every single day without fail. One bonus website that almost made this final list is Adobe Express for quick designs, but I deliberately left it off because Canva genuinely does the exact same thing better and much easier to actually use for everyone. Comment what specific type of designs you want to create right now, whether it's graphics, illustrations, UI and UX design, branding, web design, social media, print design, or something else entirely different. And follow me for brand new daily tips every single day. I post new useful content like this constantly. The short version with just the top 3 design websites is on my channel right now. Go watch it immediately. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one very soon.